Hello everyone, today we'll be making this super easy, super fun Halloween cracker toffee. First we'll start out by layering one sleeve of saltine crackers on a 9x13 baking pan. Next we'll add 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar to a stovetop pan. Once that's melted down, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to our pan. Next, we're going to pour over our brown sugar and butter mixture, and once that's all set, we'll put that in the oven for about 5 minutes to let it cook some more. Once we pull that out of the oven, we'll go ahead and add our 1 bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Once we make sure the chocolate chips are spread evenly, we'll go ahead and put it in the oven to let them melt a little further. Next, we decided to make these fun little spiderweb designs in our cracker toffee by using melted white chocolate and a toothpick. Once you're done with the design, let it freeze in the freezer for about a day and break up the little pieces, and you'll have these fun, easy Halloween treat. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.